Hi everyone, thanks for joining. So today's class, we will discuss about partner determination, part of SD configuration in S/4HANA. Okay, so let us understand the concept first, and then we can go to SAP. I can show you. So partner determination, is the process of identifying and assigning roles or partners to the business transaction. So when we are doing a sales order creation, it is common that the four partners should be determined. One is sold to party, shipped to party, bill to party, and payer. So you should ensure that the correct sold to party, shipped to party, and bill to party pair are determined automatically in sales document. That's what you are saving your time, also reducing the manual error. Once the automatic process is enabled, we have defined the processes that should determine the partners automatically, so that we can ensure that there is no error, or if something is not left out in the transaction. So what are the key objects? That is partner functions. Second one is the partner procedure, and third one is the sequence. Okay, so next is we'll go to common partner function. SP, sold to party, that orders the goods. Ship to party will receive the good, bill to party will receive the invoice, and payer who is the responsible for payment. Okay, so next is how to do this configuration in S/4HANA. So you can go to SPRO, and there you can go to sales and distribution path, and then basic functions and partner determination, set up partner determination. So this path leads to setup for the customer master, sales document item, and delivery and billing. This means wherever the partner determination functions are called. So you can see the functions are called in customer master, sales document header and item, billing delivery, and billing them. So if you go to the BOPA and transaction, you will have all these options, and select one option and go for the configuration, so that when you do the transaction, accordingly the partners are determined. Next is configuration steps. What do we do? First, we define the partner function, the roles which will be required. So the standard procedure, standard roles which are available is SP, SH, then BP, and BPY. There are other partner functions are also available. Okay, so next step is you are assigning this to your account group. So the customer, customer master, you are creating based upon one account group. So once the account group is selected, going ahead, the account partner determination will happen according to the account group. Next is procedure. So you will create a procedure so that the procedure will have those partner functions in a sequence. Okay, and this as procedure, once it is defined, you will assign to the assign to the specific document types of the account groups. Earlier I mentioned, no, this document you can assign, or the customer master you can assign. So procedure, by definition, it is a container for all partner function relevant to a process. Sorry. So there, when you are doing this partner function definition, or you are doing a configuration, so there you can show which partner function is mandatory, which is not modifiable, like that. So next is, this is the access sequence, which is the control. Okay, so it will check the system tables in the defined order, Customer master, then sales organization, then customer hierarchy. Only required partner functions are determined automatically. Manual entry is not required on a sales sequence. Okay. Assigning to account groups. So you are able to do in VOPAN for customer master, you are assigning this to account group and function assignment. Okay. So how we will do in sales order? You are doing this is visual for ensuring the right partners are determined in the sales order. Sales order level, you are assigning in the transaction code VOV8 where you are defining the sales document type, and item level, it is on the item category definition, that is VOV8 V7. What are the best practices? So you ensure the partner functions are mapped to BP roles to maintain synchronization with the legacy tables. Okay. So this is your this meant only one transaction, which is your actually cockpit configuration cockpit. There you can do all this. So anything, any doubt on this partner function definition or configuration? Okay. So let us go to the SPRO, and there let me log in. Here you go to SPRO and then sales and distribution, and inside that you have basic functions, then partner determination and setup partner determination. So here you have all these options. So we can do this selection. So the customer master will go, and there you are able to see that this is by the customer. So as you see, the system has defined this. This is a standard partner function procedure definition. Okay, so you can see what is attached. So you can see partner functions which are attached. These are all the attached partner functions. Okay, so this is a definition. You are doing a partner determination procedure creation, and then you are doing an assignment in your account group. Okay, so this is assignment to account group. Then you have this standard account group is 0001, and the determination procedure is AG. Okay, this is the whole Bible of the whole partner function which is defined in the system. Okay, account group function assignment. So those account groups which partner function are supported, here it is maintained. So you can have this. Okay, you can see the partner function which is, suppose it is SP, and it is tagged to standard account group, that is 0001. Okay, so this is what I was telling you. So in order to define a new one, you can start new entry, or you can copy, and you can do the custom master. So you can go to this changes, you go to determination procedure. I can define a determination procedure, that is JP ED JPPD PD for JPPI. Okay, so I defined one partner determination procedure and I will save this. Okay, once I save, we go to these partner functions. You have to select this and go to this partner function. So you can add the whatever partner function you want to add. So partner function is for SP and your L to party, SIP to party, bill to party, and payer. Okay, so here you can see that partner is mandatory. So I can do this mandatory or I can do the optional. So here I basically the sold to party is mandatory. So make it as even all are mandatory. I mean according to the business scenario. So here now my account determination was account group of JP01. So what I can do is here the JP01 when I created the partner procedure account determination procedure is we created, right? We created what we created? JPPD we created. So that I assigned. Now coming to partner functions, I have followed the standard partner functions is created that I have assigned here in partner function. So in the account groups also I have to assign the partner functions. So what I'll do is JPPD, sorry, JP01. When you have created this account group, I have to see JP01 is whether it is assigned or not. So SP sold to party and it should be assigned to JP01 account group. Okay, so likewise, I have to assign for 4 and this BP and then keyword. Okay, so JP01, all these 4 entries should be created. Okay, I'll just save it and I'll go to partner function. Here, this is already mentioned. Okay, so exit. Now I will go to the custom master here. Partner functions. Okay, so let us go to the additional data. Additional data here, I do not have anything. I can put a block wherever I want. Generally, initially data I will not put it. Once we found that customer which is not satisfactory in nature, then we can do a sensitive block or delivery block or billing block. Can define. Okay, any other thing? No, nothing. So save. So once we create, so this sales area data is created. Okay, this is called sales area data. Now we created the first one is the 0000000, that is the BP, the business partner general data, business partner general data. Then FI customer we created, then customer. So we created customer in the sense that is sales and distribution. Now let us go to the, if you want to see, okay, so what are the roles which is created? You can see these roles. These 2 are created. Okay, now I just wanted to revisit again into the partner function and see whether it is partner functions are properly created or not. So you can see this SP and it is there. So I have not scrolled down, that's why it is not there. So BP, let us go to verify BP transaction again and keep the transaction 600 star. I get a number, this one BAL, and I go to the partner function. I can see the core is created. So this is what partner determination we have done, and this is also getting reflected in the customer. So any doubt so far? Any questions? Okay. So today I think we created the business partner and also with along with the customer master. So as and when we will have the class for the vendor master also, we can see how the custom vendor integrations are made. Okay. So any other question? If we want to have any questions, you can mail us through the email ID, or you can post in your comments. And also, I mean, get in touch with us for the next classes. We are holding classes. We are having batch of classes every month, starting every month. And if you are interested, you can enroll yourself by sending. You can send us an email, or you can contact us the mobile number which is provided. So we can assign you the batch which through which you can start learning the SDA sessions. Thank you very much. Thank you.